How to place bet on 1xbet using code. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the 1xbet app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to place a bet, you need to find the sports where you want to make a bet, or you can easily create a bet slip from here. Tap on this bet slip option. You can head over to any games or match where you want to create a bet. Let's say if I want to place a bet on this, I will simply select the slip. Now it will allow me to customize the bet slip over here. Now, in order to use the code while placing the bet, here you can see the promo code option. Tap on it. From here you can enter the promo code. You can enter your promo code and now select the bet option, and you can go back to the bet section and your promo code will be applied into this bet. So that's it. That's how you can easily place a bet on 1xbet using the code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.